Google finally responds to iPhone 14. Android 14 is coming next year, but it will offer one of the top key features rumored to come with the iPhone 14 series. The all-new satellite connectivity feature that allows users to send emergency text messages regardless of the SIM signals by using, of course, satellites. And well, Google has made the big announcement official. Yes, according to Google's senior vice president, Android 14 will officially come with satellite connectivity feature baked in. This means that it's coming to all Android phones eligible to run Android 14, not just by one company, cause that's the beauty of Android. Obviously, third-party OEMs can expand on this feature further, and since Samsung is associated with Galaxies already, they could definitely use this feature for their upcoming phones. With Android 14, Samsung will likely bring One UI 6.0 version, definitely going to first debut on the Galaxy S23 Series next year. Along with this, T-Mobile and SpaceX has already announced that they are working to bring satellite connectivity to all phones in United States. Surely but slowly, the rollout will happen globally. I gotta say, Google is indeed answering to iPhone 14. Could not have been a better time for this announcement. Android 14 officially getting the satellite connectivity. Now, speaking of iPhone 14, according to Mark Gurman, Apple's event will most likely have the announcement for the second-gen AirPods Pro with even better active noise cancellation, improved battery life, and possibly more colors are expected. Now, coming back to some Samsung news, they have revealed some interesting information at IFA Berlin regarding their folding phones. In European markets and UK, shipments of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Flip 4 has almost doubled compared to the Fold 3 and Flip 3. What's crazy about this time is that Samsung is selling Galaxy Z Fold 4 a lot more than last year. For every 6 Galaxy Z Flip 4 sales, there are 4 sales for the Z Fold 4. A lot of this is because of the folding phones getting popular with each day, and of course, Samsung having their best chip and their best battery life on the Z Fold 4, even better than the S22 Ultra, has definitely helped in the sales. So that is all the latest news. Big happy news for the Android users. You will not be waiting for this prime feature that is coming with the iPhone 14 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later in the next one. Peace out.